So this is the Sony ZV-1. How is the difference between a GoPro Hero 9 versus Hero 9 Black versus a Sony? This is action camera which I've been using all these years. Check this out. This is the brand new ZV-1 which I got. Looks nice and compact with a lot of features built in. And of course, the Honda Africa Twin. So the display can be folded anyway. It can even be closed this way. So this is an additional mod which I've added. The light. That's how it looks. And when you're on it, the Zeiss lens actually comes out. Hi Jiggy.
Hi.
Who's doing the camera work today?
Me.
So that's all the buttons on the camera, and we have this Zeiss lens. And you can open up the display, and these are all the other buttons. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet, and as you might have seen the heading of this video, it's a new camera alert. Yes, this is the Sony ZV-1. This is the vlogging camera which I just got to check how is the quality. So what do you think about the camera? Do write the review. First looks of the shots I've taken on the Sony ZV-1. So, how is the clarity on the Sony ZV-1? Give me your feedback on the same. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle, as you might have seen, is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers and stay tuned. Stroll in the park to see how it is in natural light. This is evening. The time right now, it's about 6 p.m. So see the shots in the park.
All I know is 10:35 and I can feel your arms around me. Let them drown me. All I know is 10:35 and I'm thinking, God, you found me. That you found me. Every day I go places in my head. Darker thoughts so hard to know. They look like monsters under my bed. And every time it's like a rocket through my chest. The TV make you think the whole world's about to end. I don't know when this night is going, but I know that you and me got something. So many things that I'm afraid of, but right now I ain't scared of nothing. 'Cause all I know is 10:35 and I can feel your arms around me.
low light shots. The time right now is 6:30 p.m. and on the lights we got the light mode. Does the light make any difference? Do let me know. Let's try some snapshots, photos, how they look in natural light. Sony ZV-1.
Yeah.
How's the clarity? And there's Durvang from Vidya Shilp Academy who's just come back from his school. Cheers! Well, how do you like this camera? Do leave your comments on the comment section below. And if you like my vlogs, give me a thumbs up. Also, follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. And my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Cheers!